Hello there. Welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of scrap wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The benefits of using scrap wood. In an era where sustainability and environmental consciousness are at the forefront of global discussions, the utilization of scrap wood has emerged as a practical and beneficial practice. Scrap wood, which refers to leftover wood from various sources such as construction sites, furniture manufacturing, and woodworking shops, can be repurposed in numerous ways. This article delves into the myriad benefits of using scrap wood, ranging from environmental advantages to economic savings, creative opportunities, and community engagement. Environmental benefits. 1. Waste reduction. One of the most significant benefits of using scrap wood is its role in waste reduction. According to the EPA, millions of tons of wood waste are generated each year, much of which ends up in landfills. By repurposing scrap wood, we can significantly decrease this waste, contributing to a more sustainable environment. 2. Resource conservation. Every piece of wood used for construction or manufacturing requires resources for harvesting, processing, and transportation. Utilizing scrap wood minimizes the demand for new timber, conserving forests and reducing the ecological impact associated with logging. 3. Lower carbon footprint. The process of harvesting and processing new wood releases carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. By using scrap wood, we can reduce the overall carbon footprint associated with wood production. Additionally, reusing wood keeps it out of landfills, where it would decompose and release methane, a potent greenhouse gas. 4. Encouraging sustainable practices. The increased use of scrap wood promotes a culture of recycling and sustainability within communities and industries. It encourages individuals and businesses to think critically about their waste and consider how materials can be repurposed rather than discarded. Economic benefits. 5. Cost savings. Scrap wood is often available at a fraction of the cost of new lumber. For DIY enthusiasts, small businesses, and hobbyists, using scrap wood can lead to substantial savings on material costs. This economic advantage allows for more projects to be undertaken without breaking the bank. 6. Job creation. The growing trend of upcycling and woodworking from scrap materials can create job opportunities in local communities. Businesses that specialize in reclaiming and selling scrap wood can thrive, providing employment and stimulating local economies. 7. Market demand. There is an increasing market demand for reclaimed materials, including scrap wood. Consumers are becoming more environmentally conscious and are willing to pay a premium for products that are sustainable. This trend can benefit businesses that focus on using scrap wood in their products or services. Creative opportunities. 8. Unique aesthetics. Scrap wood often has unique characteristics that new lumber lacks. The weathered look, distinct grain patterns, and various colors can add character and charm to projects. Artists and craftsmen can create one-of-a-kind pieces that stand out in a market saturated with mass-produced items. 9. Versatility. Scrap wood can be used in a wide array of projects, from furniture and home decor to art installations and garden structures. Its versatility makes it an appealing choice for creatives looking to experiment with different designs and applications. 10. Skill development. Working with scrap wood can be an excellent way to develop woodworking skills. Beginners can practice techniques without the pressure of using expensive materials. This hands-on experience can foster a greater appreciation for craftsmanship and lead to improved skills over time. 11. DIY projects. The rise of DIY culture has made scrap wood increasingly popular among hobbyists and home improvers. From building furniture to crafting decorative items, the possibilities are endless. Engaging in DIY projects can also be a fulfilling way to spend leisure time while creating something functional or beautiful. Community engagement. 12. Community workshops. Many communities have started workshops that focus on teaching individuals how to work with scrap wood. These workshops not only promote skill development, but also foster community engagement by bringing people together to share ideas and collaborate on projects. 13. Local artisans. Supporting local artisans who work with scrap would help strengthen community ties. By purchasing items made from reclaimed materials, consumers contribute to the local economy and support artisans who prioritize sustainability. 14. Educational initiatives. Schools and organizations can implement educational programs that teach the importance of recycling and sustainability through hands-on projects using scrap wood. Such initiatives can inspire future generations to value resource conservation and creativity. 15. Community beautification projects. Scrap wood can be used in community beautification efforts, such as creating benches, planters, or playground equipment. These projects not only enhance public spaces, but also involve community members in collaborative efforts that build pride and ownership. Practical applications. 16. Furniture making. One of the most popular uses for scrap wood is in furniture making. From coffee tables to bookshelves, many furniture pieces can be constructed using reclaimed materials. This not only saves money, but also results in unique pieces that tell a story. 17. Home renovations. Homeowners looking to renovate or remodel can incorporate scrap wood into their designs for flooring, paneling, or cabinetry. Using reclaimed materials adds character to a home while also being environmentally friendly. 18. Garden projects. Scrap wood is ideal for garden projects such as raised beds, trellises, or compost bins. These structures can enhance garden functionality while utilizing materials that would otherwise go to waste. 19. Crafts and decor. Scrap wood can be transformed into decorative items such as picture frames, signs, or wall art. These crafts allow for personalization and creativity while promoting sustainability. 20. Pet projects. For pet owners, scrap wood can be used to build pet furniture like beds or play structures. This not only provides a unique solution for pet needs, but also reduces waste. Challenges and considerations. While there are numerous benefits to using scrap wood, there are also challenges that must be considered. 1. Quality control. Not all scrap wood is suitable for every project. It is essential to assess the quality of the wood before use, as some pieces may be damaged or unsuitable for structural applications. 2. Treatment and safety. Some scrap wood may have been treated with chemicals or contain hazardous substances like lead paint. It is crucial to identify the source of the wood and ensure it is safe for its intended use. 3. Time investment. Working with scrap wood may require additional time for preparation, including cleaning, sanding, or cutting pieces to size. This investment in time must be weighed against the benefits gained from using reclaimed materials. 4. Limited supply. Depending on location, access to quality scrap wood may vary. Some areas may have abundant resources, while others may require more effort to source suitable materials. Conclusion. The benefits of using scrap wood are manifold, spanning environmental sustainability, economic advantages, creative opportunities, and community engagement. As society continues to grapple with issues related to waste management and resource conservation, embracing the use of scrap wood presents a practical solution that aligns with contemporary values of sustainability and creativity. By choosing to repurpose scrap wood, individuals not only contribute to reducing waste but also engage in meaningful projects that foster skill development and community connections. Whether through DIY endeavors at home or supporting local artisans who prioritize reclaimed materials, every effort counts toward building a more sustainable future. In conclusion, as we move forward into an uncertain future marked by environmental challenges, embracing practices like using scrap wood offers a pathway toward innovation, sustainability, and community resilience, one piece at a time. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked scrap wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.